Hey there. Today I wanted to go over initializing your wallet on OpenSea and paying the fee to be able to list your NFTs that we're flipping on OpenSea to flip them. So go to your profile. This one we just bought earlier for a quarter, so I can easily, if I wanted to flip it, just put it for a half underneath here just to double my money. I did not think that this guy was going to go sell his, so instead of tripling it, I could at least double my money if I want to. But what we're going to go do here is go to sell, connect the wallet, and this is my Ethereum wallet, MetaMask wallet. And that is how you sign it. Sign, refresh the funds, and then we will go back to here and make sure we're on the Ethereum network this time. Close it out, sell. We will put 0.5 just because. Service fee is 2%. And then a royalty fee of 10%. Let's go ahead and select for we do not want to put it for 6 months, so let's do the first. Let's do January 27th. That's actually my birthday, so we'll keep it up there until my birthday. If not, I'm just going to keep it. So we'll put 2 months. So here would be if you wanted to sell it privately. You would select reserve for specific buyer, then you put in their wallet address here. This would be great if you're doing like off platform sales or private sales. You can list it here for them, and they are the only person that can buy it with that wallet ID. It's also a good way to gift to a particular person an NFT. Select reserve for a specific buyer, then you simply put in their wallet address, and voila, you're done. Selling bundles, obviously you pick that, name your bundle, and over here you will pick your second items. So I would say if I wanted to sell these two as a bundle, I would put the new bundle name up here. So bundle drops. List your price up here. For say at 1.2. And then you would click complete listing. I'm not going to sell my 09, even though I could. I don't want to. I'm going to go back to this one alone, and then a 0.5 ETH. And then we will complete listing. We'll bring up your wallet. It's going to cost $245 to initialize your wallet. $234. So hopefully they approve the Ethereum to upgrade to the network, and then we won't have to worry about these astronomical gas fees. So let's reject it, and I'm going to go actually put 0.55. Might as well, right? See if that changes it. 211. That's actually not bad. I'm going to go ahead and click that before it jumps back up to 250. Wait for that to finalize. Okay, and initialized a $20 fee to approve this item for sale. And we'll wait for the transaction to finish. I'll probably do another one later on to see if it says right here a one time for the first time. So I'm going to assume if we initialize our wallet with, say, a 0.002 ETH, the fee will actually be a lot lower, and then you can initialize your wallet for, say, $50 maybe, instead of the $250 that I just spent initializing this wallet. I will do another wallet separate video for this just to see if we can get that initialized gas fee down to, say, 0.002 or something like that. And then we finish here, signing it, confirms, enter your email address in your account settings so we can let you know when your listing sells or receives an offer. And then we can view our item here. And now it's for sale for 0.55 ETH. Here is also where you can transfer to a specific person if you want, just that one. Then you put in their either wallet address for MetaMask or their Ethereum name service or whatever ENS stands for, and then transfer it to them. So let's go back. So yeah, so this is our purchase this morning, and now it's listed. And that's how you initialize your wallet to sell NFTs on OpenSea. Any other questions regarding MetaMask or NFTs or setting up OpenSea, just comment below. Thanks.